Before.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Uh-huh. I had this flavor before, but I forget where I had it.
Oh, okay. Hello everyone. So this video is going to be about some of my decluttering progress and the process. As you can see behind me, there's quite a disaster here. Like, this has been building up for months and it's time to deal with it. I want to have a minimal home. I want to have things simple. I want them clean and tidy, and I want it that when it comes time to cleaning things, that it's not an all-day thing, that it can be a quick little cleanup and wipe up, and it doesn't mean that every time I'm cleaning, I'm also having to tidy and declutter and put away every single time, because that's exhausting and it's discouraging, and it makes it a lot harder for anybody to clean, myself as well as any of the kids doing any of that as well. So this video is just going to be me decluttering. I have a bag here to put some things in that I'm going to get rid of, and I will explain some things along the way as I am doing them. So here we go. Let's do this. Alright, so I think I'm going to set things into piles to begin with. I'm going to have piles of things that I do use, and then I'm going to be keeping piles of things I'm unsure of and piles of things that I definitely just simply want to get rid of. So I'll start. I have to unplug this actually. So, straightener. I definitely use this every day. Got this one off of Amazon. Okay, not every day, but I use it often. Yes, it gets used. Going into my, yes, I'm gonna keep it pile. And my blow dryer, I use this frequently as well. So this is also going into my yes pile. And I also have my epilator. I use this very frequently. So that is also going into my yes pile. This is not mine. This is Kalina's, so okay, I'm gonna make a fourth pile. That fourth pile is going to be things that are not mine. That's gonna go there. Okay, this, I got it because I should be using it more often than I do use it, so I'm gonna keep it in my yes pile. I probably don't use it so frequently because I'm overwhelmed at how much stuff is here. Hairbrush, of course I'm keeping that. This I use every single day. It's actually almost empty, so yes pile. This I need to use more often. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the honest truth. I do not clean my makeup brushes as often as I should. This is my makeup brush cleaner. So yes, this is going in my yes pile because I need to use it more often. Alright, so this is a bag full of some makeup. Something just fell off of it. It's an earring, not my earring. And we're gonna have to go through that because I don't use all of that makeup. So I have a subscription to Ipsy, and every month they send me a little bag. Here, I'll just go and grab an example. Send me a little bag like this size of a bag. They're pretty cute bags, but they are full of like samples of makeup, and it's been great. The problem is I've had this subscription probably for 2 years now. There's a lot of things. I actually have used quite a few things, but there's a lot of things that I don't use, and then it just builds up, and then I just have so much stuff that I don't use. And I think that it's probably time for me to cancel that simply for that reason. Not that I haven't enjoyed it, it's just that it is building up way too much. And there's a lot of things that I've gotten and I just simply do not use. So a lot of the makeup and the stuff that I have that has been cluttered is simply that it's been from Ipsy, and I just do not use everything that I get from them. This sunglasses case is not mine. Again, this is Kalina's. I also have a lot of paperwork on here that I need to actually go through and organize. So here we have a fifth pile. Pile number 5. Numero 5. That is going to be paper. Oh, It's exhausting. I think something fell behind here, actually. Oh my gosh. Something fell. I'm gonna have to get that later. Okay, I'm also gonna need something for garbage. There's actually not that much garbage here. This, oh, we had a lice outbreak with the children a while ago, and it sucked big time. And I had a really hard time kind of getting rid of them, and so I figured that I wanted to have something that's more natural, because the stuff that we had, we just went and we bought it on a whim. It was an emergency, we wanted to get rid of it, and it was very strong and it was not very nice for our heads. I didn't get any lice, but I used it frantically on mine because I was just very paranoid and I did not want to get any. So I got this stuff, Chamomile Lice Buster. It's a little bit more of a natural version of lice killer, getting rid of her stuff treatment. And I got this. I don't need this box, so that we can have it on hand just in case that ever happens again, so that we're not frantically running to the store trying to get something. So I have this. This is a yes, but it does not need to stay on my dresser. It can be put away somewhere. Case. This is a holder. Tens machine. Ha! Birth professional supplies. That can go in here. Oh, I got these headbands so that I can keep my hair out of my face, but they're so slippery. They drive me crazy because they don't even stay on my head. They'll stay there for a short while, and then pretty soon they just slip off. I'll show you. I'll just keep it on right now, and then pretty soon it's just gonna slide right off of my head. All right, more paper things to go through. This I've had for a very long time. Hugo Boss Deep Red, and I'm trying to savor it, use it on very, very special occasions. I got it from my brother who passed this past December. There's not that much left in it. I'm not sure, you can't see that at all. Oh, maybe a little bit, but it smells delicious. I love it, always have loved it. So this is saved for extremely special occasions because it's just a little piece of my brother that I get to hold on to for a little bit longer. Go get a cloth and wipe down the top of this dresser and get some spray to clean the mirror off. Look! It's clean! I haven't seen it this clean in a long time. Now to try to organize it so that it can stay clean. Look at all the stuff I took off of it. Oh my goodness. So before I start to put stuff away, I'm actually gonna go through all of this makeup supplies and figure out what I do and do not use. And that will help me with organization because it'll let me know how much I am going to be needing to organize and how much space I need. And there's a good chance that I might be looking into getting some kind of little makeup organization item so that it can get organized but also stay organized. I've actually seen at HomeSense these cute little like wicker basket drawers that you can get, that I would probably get and put on the side of the dresser, and then that way stuff can stay off of the actual dresser top and it can stay nice and clear and clean and tidy, and it's easier to keep clean because things will have a home, which is very important. So I'm going to go through all of this mess. We're going to figure out what I actually am going to use and not going to use. So let's do it. Okay, so I went through the makeup, and this is what I am keeping because this is what I use. So it's a bit more than I thought, actually. I thought that I didn't use that much, although I did get rid of a few, like eyeshadows that I had building up, some face creams, eye creams. I really only need to have like one of those and not 5 different kinds. I just need to stick with one that I actually use on a regular basis and just let go of the other stuff. So that's what I did for that. Now I need to figure out how I'm gonna organize it, and I'm thinking for now I'm just gonna go get a wicker basket from downstairs, and I will just keep stuff in there for now until I am able to get a better way to organize that stuff. So I shall be back. Okay, so I got a basket. It's a little bit big, but that's okay. I also got a jar just so that I have something to store my brushes in. So those are gonna go in there. Also gonna keep my comb in here, easier access. And makeup is gonna go in here. This is gonna stay there because I use it very often. Same with this. And see, this is where I wish that I had something else to organize this. Hairbrush I'm actually gonna go put in the bathroom. Okay, so I don't know where this stuff is gonna be able to go, so I'm literally just gonna set it on top for now. Use this almost every day for my face, so I'm gonna put it beside my other lotion, my body lotion. I actually keep my perfumes in the bathroom, but because this one is so special and I do not want the kids getting a hold of it, I'm going to keep it in here. This is a lovely little hand cream that I'm going to go and put into the bathroom for the next time that my other hand cream runs out that I keep in my van. This I'm going to put in the bathroom because it's something that I should be putting on after I wash my face. So I'm going to be able to have easier access of it if I have it in the same area that I wash my face in. This is a nighttime lip mask that I put on every night, so I'm actually going to keep this beside my bed instead of putting it on my dresser because sometimes I forget about it and then I have to get up to go and put it on, so I'll put it where I have easier access. Look at how beautiful this is. Little flower enclosed in glass. This is a real rose, you guys, enclosed in this glass that Levi got me. This is when we first started dating and he got this for me. It's so pretty. Okay, so as far as the makeup supplies goes, I am pretty happy with that. And then I'm gonna have to go through all of my paperwork, but I am not going to do that in front of you because a lot of that is gonna hold very personal information. So, ready for the reveal? Okay, so here's how it is now. It is much tidier, way less clutter. And this is just one of the 550 parts of the bedroom that I have to go through and declutter. Baby steps, baby steps. Thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me on my journey to minimalism. And I really hope that these videos are going to be inspiring for you. I hope that I'm going to be able to remember to record anytime that I am organizing things. And if I forget to record and then I've already done organizing, I'm sorry. I will try to remember to at least show you what it looks like after I do it and explain it. But hopefully this can be encouraging for anybody else who is hoping to declutter and minimize their life. You know what? Remember how I said that this thing is going to slide up on my head? It's kind of sliding up, but I mean, throughout the day it's gonna get worse. I really was hoping that it would stay better and it wasn't gonna be something I'd have to constantly adjust, because that's kind of annoying. So I'm just gonna take it off. There we go. It's gone. It's gone. Don't have to worry about it. I have to figure out where to put those now. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, because that's gonna help me. My channel is very new and I am hoping that together we can help it grow and turn into something really, really cool. Some video content that I'm going to be adding later, because I am a birth professional, is going to be some birth and pregnancy, labor, postpartum, breastfeeding type of advice. So I'm very excited to start presenting that kind of content on this channel when I am ready to do that. So stay tuned, please subscribe, and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.